Next exercise 9.3, sixth question is in a figure OACB. OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeters. If OD length, it is the OD length equal to, it is D, it is A. OD length equal 2 centimeters. Find the area of a shaded region. So we can clearly imagine that OACB is a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant of a circle is nothing but when we draw a circle, when it divided into 4 equal parts, this is one quadrant of a circle, it is another quadrant of a circle, it is one more quadrant, it is one more quadrant. Totally 4 quadrants of a circle is formed. Among that 4 quadrants of a circle, only just one quadrant of a circle is given in a question. Solution: OACB is a quadrant of a circle. Radius of a circle, radius is given as 3.5 centimeters and radius is given as 3.5 centimeters. OD length is given as 2 centimeters. AD length equal to OA minus OD, that equal to OA value in a sector radius are equal. OB equal 3.5, OA also will become as 3.5 centimeters minus 2 centimeters, that equal to 1.5 centimeters. So AD length will come as 1.5 centimeters. Now we have to find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant of a circle. Quadrant of a circle minus area of triangle ODB. Already at center it is a 90 degrees. It is a right angle triangle. Area of triangle we can find easily half into base into height. That equal to area of quadrant of a circle. To find area of quadrant, actually circle area is pi r square. Quadrant, it is divided circle into 4 times, that equal to by 4. By minus area of triangle half into base equal to OB into height only triangle ODB, height equal to OD, that equal to 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into radius given as 3.5 into 3.5 minus half into OB 3.5 into OD 2. 2 to get cancelled. 2 2s are 2 11s are 7 1s are 7, 7 0.5s are, that equal to, this can be written as 7 into half. 0.5 can be written as half. 11 into half, 11 by 2, that equal 5.5. Numerator will become as 5.5 into 3.5 by 2 minus only 3.5, that equal to 5.5 into 3.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 17, 5 7 1, 5 12 9 1, 19.25. When it is divided with 2, 19.25 by 2 minus 3.5. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 5 2 2s are 4, 1 0 2 5s are. That equal to 9.625 minus 3.5. 9.625 minus 3.500. 5216. That equal to 6.125 centimeter square is the required area of shaded portion in a quadrant of a circle.